In the twilight of summer, you shook like a leaf, then blew to the ground in a pile at my feet. I picked you up, we fell into place. On the park bench in silence, we spoke with no words. You held me like water to placate your thirst, your lifeboat, your anchor, and your perfect mistake. The white coat of winter you wore like a veil, thin as a whisper but sharp as a nail. The wind on the river is calling your name in a voice so tame. Be my light, my flickering flame. In the bell tower basement beneath the cold world, the feelings you'd bunched up so gently unfurled. You held me close, I tried to hold on. The next cloudy morning you woke in my arms. I made you some coffee, you showed me your scars, and I knew one day that I'd be your next. The stray light was running, you touched me and said, as young as I was, I felt older back then. Two parallel lines on an infinite plane, trying to cross in vain. Be my light, my flickering flame. that was frozen is slowly beginning to move down the river as it had to be. There's a lake in the country where dreams go to die. It's flooding the banks where it once had been dry. The petrified spirits are finally free. No flame is eternal, it just takes a drip. No life is forever, it's all just a blip. The ashes were carried on down to the drain by the callous rain. Say good night, my flickering flame. Looking down from 20,000 feet, the fields are spangled specks beneath my seat. As the mountains fade, the memories made, they all evaporate. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. The grand terrain is turning gray and cold. My comfy home is now threadbare and old. With a parachute, a quick reboot, can I escape my fate? Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. It's wheels down in my hometown again, and everything is just as it had been. In the days before the sandy shore was spread beneath my feet, everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. My callow heart was once so full of dreams, but somehow I got lost in the machine. How did I become the very one that I could never take? Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. Everything is blowing, going, gone, gone away. looking up to see the endless stars. The universe no longer seems so large. Am I cursed to stay? Will I go gray? Just wondering what could be. Maybe I am blowing, going, gone, gone away.